Let's do the unboxing of this BenQ 27-inch monitor. I bought it from Amazon.in. The packaging is nice. This is the big box, and inside that we have the BenQ box. So but I don't see any airbags here. So I will take this out. I have taken the main box out of this Amazon's box. And this is also packed. Now let's see what's inside this main box. So we have the power cable here. This we will plug to the power port. So we will need it later. Then we have this HDMI cable. So let's keep it aside. This is some quick start guide to get you started and how to fit these things and the monitor. And we also have online warranty card here. So let's keep it aside. Let's pull it further. So this is the stand. We will put them together while assembling it. So let's keep it aside for now. And this is the monitor itself. I will put it on the table so that we can have a better view. And this is the monitor, and it's quite big, good enough for normal use and even watching movies. And this says 178 degree viewing angle. So let's see some of the more specifications. And the specifications are that it's a 27-inch full HD screen, and it has slim bezels, and you can see very slim bezels. And it also has something called eye care or self brightness adjustment, so that there is not too much strain on the eyes. It has a refresh rate of 60 Hertz, response time of 5 milliseconds, and the aspect ratio is 16:9. And there are two built-in speakers, although I had read that those are not loud enough. Let me focus here. So you can see the speakers here. This is one, and similar we have on this side as well. But these are not very loud, so don't expect too much. And it has viewing angle of 178 degree horizontally as well as vertically. Now I will assemble this and turn it on so that you can see how the colors look on it, how bright this is. And so I have taken out the stands, and here it looks like this is this part, and I have to turn it back, and this I have to put here. So it's very simple. Just take this part and insert this part, and it's inserted now, and we need to tighten this up. And it's tight now. Now this part is ready. Now what we need to do, we have to take the monitor and try to insert here. So just very simple, one step and the next step. So just two-step installation. So let me do it. And that's it. We just have put this here. And now let's see the ports. So here we have different ports here. HDMI port, VGA port, and then this side we have the power port. And this says -5 to 20 degree. So we can change the screen orientation as well. We can tilt it slightly. And then this power cable will come from over it. So we can probably take this out. So just push it and it will come out, so that we add the power cable and then we can take it out from here, and it will keep the wires properly aligned, and then we can put it back. So let's do that. So it's ready now. This will keep the wire at place. Now I will connect it to power and we will turn the display on. So no cable is connected. I will connect the HDMI to my laptop. Now let's play some video on it. I bought it from Amazon. So this is my review of some other product, and you can see the noise, the volume is quite high. So I thought that the speaker was not good, but now I feel that the speaker is doing a good job. So this is the box. So that's it.
Model is mono AU9.
Hope you got some idea.
Microphone. Its MRP is.
So hope you got some good idea of how good this monitor is. It's a very affordable price and the quality looks very premium. This thin bezels and this is slim only, not very heavy. So I would say it's a good purchase for that price.